Hey everyone, if you want to learn how to use Behance in 2026, like creating a portfolio, uploading projects, and growing as a designer, this video is for you. I'll show you step by step how to get started. First, open Behance and sign up using your email or your Adobe account. This gives you access to the platform. Next, set up your profile by adding your name, profile picture, and a short bio. This helps people understand who you are. Now explore the homepage feed. You'll see creative work from designers, illustrators, and photographers worldwide. After that, click on Create a Project to start uploading your own work. This is where you build your portfolio. Next, upload your images, designs, or mock-ups. Make sure everything is organized cleanly and professionally. Now add a project title and description. This helps viewers understand your creative process. After that, click Publish to make your project live. Once published, your work becomes visible to the global creative community. Finally, engage with others by liking, commenting, and following creators. This helps you grow your network and visibility. So yeah, that's how you use Behance step by step in 2026. Follow each step carefully and you can build a strong portfolio and get noticed by clients. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more design tutorials for beginners. Hey everyone!